More than a century after the Titanic disaster, historians are still uncovering small pieces of the story. One of the most fascinating discoveries is a photograph believed to show the iceberg responsible for the tragedy. The image is a simple black and white photograph, mounted on cardboard and labeled with a handwritten note mentioning the Titanic. The photo was reportedly taken by a sailor traveling through the North Atlantic shortly after the disaster. His ship arrived in the area only days after the Titanic sank. While rescue efforts were still ongoing, ships were searching the freezing waters for survivors and victims, a somber and desperate scene. According to the sailor, the iceberg he photographed had unusual markings, including a dark streak along its side. Some believe this streak may have been caused by the collision with the massive ocean liner. Historians cannot confirm with absolute certainty that this was the exact iceberg. However, the timing, location, and description make it one of the most convincing candidates ever documented. Photographs from that time are extremely rare, which makes this image a valuable historical artifact. Collectors and historians are especially interested. It may capture the very object that changed maritime history forever. Because of its rarity, the photograph has attracted attention from collectors around the world. Experts believe it could sell for thousands of dollars at auction, a testament to its significance. Even today, more than 100 years later, the mystery of the Titanic continues to capture people's imagination. Discoveries like this help keep the story alive, ensuring the Titanic's legacy endures.